If you've made a payment on Binance and need to request a refund, follow these straightforward steps to navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Binance account by entering your credentials on the Binance website or app. Ensure that you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to the support section. Once logged in, locate the support or help section. This is usually found in the main menu or footer of the website. Here, you can find resources and options for contacting customer support. Step 3. Submit a refund request. In the support section, look for the option to submit a request or ticket. Fill out the required information, including your transaction details and the reason for the refund request. Be clear and concise to help expedite the process. Step 4. Provide necessary documentation. If applicable, attach any relevant documentation that supports your refund claim. This may include transaction ID, screenshots, or any communication related to the payment. Ensure that all files are clear and legible. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, monitor your email for a response from Binance support. They may require additional information or provide you with updates on the status of your refund. Be patient, as processing times can vary. In conclusion, following these steps can help you effectively request a refund from Binance. Always keep your account information secure and stay informed about the platform's policies for future transactions.